You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? The name of this musical instrument from South America. So the original pronunciation is from Spanish. In Spanish pronunciation, Güiro. Güiro. Okay, so the double dots on the U means that it's not G. GUI would normally be G because you have the two dots. The U has its own U pronunciation, so Güiro. Güiro is how it's pronounced in Spanish. So in English, rather similarly, not Giro, not Gyro, Güiro. Güiro is how it's said, or from Spanish, Giro. And now, you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.